So we're
See,
sitting,
look.
so we're sitting in the car wash, and Colton is scared. Oh my God, what is it? See, look, what is that, Bubba? Oh, here it comes. It's coming down your side. Oh, here it comes. Oh my gosh, watch out. Whoa. Whoa. Oh gosh. We made it. We're alive, Bubba. Here it comes again. Hang on. Here it comes. Oh, watch out. Whoa. Whoa, oh, we made it. Oh yeah. Okay, we're all right. No, not yet, but the roof's leaking. Hold on. You got a leaky roof. Get your cigarettes. Oh, here it comes. Duck, duck, duck. Ah. Look, it's even coming through the roof, Colton. Oh my gosh, what do we do?
Not that.
Colton, I'm so scared. Here it comes. Duck, Mom, duck.
It's okay. It's all right. It's just water. Look. See?
Where are we going? You ready to get out of here?
Yeah.
Wow. Okay, here we go. We're leaving. All right, look, it's over. Are you okay? Did you survive?
Yeah.
Okay. I love you. I love you. Okay. I love you, Bubba.